Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have a package. That means we have an unbagging. So let's find out who it's from. I guess we'll just cut it right here. I have no idea why there's tape here. Can't even begin to imagine. Make sure everything is in here. Alright, let me get all this out. Get rid of the packaging. Alright. Whoops. Hello. We have our little sticker here. I don't know why, but okay. Well, we don't need it. And this is from FGNormal. And if they have any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here and in the description box below. So let's find out what we've got here. Well, I ordered these little acrylic beads, and it says 3 millimeter size bag, and they're plastic. But I thought they would be kind of cute to put on projects and stuff. So I wanted to see exactly how small they were. They're a bit bigger than I thought they would be. I thought they would be more seed bead side. But they all, I'm not going to open this. Are you kidding? They'll be everywhere. Just what the cat needs is something else to chase. Yeah, but they all seem to be a consistent size. I don't know about their holes, because that's where sometimes the problem lies, but they look pretty consistent. Now they have these, and they also have, it says for cross stitch, so maybe next time I'll get those to compare the two. But yeah, I thought they'd just be kind of nice to add a touch to something, especially on the smaller cross stitches. And this bag of beads was $1.33. So yeah, who knows what we'll get up to using those for. All right, moving on, we do have cross stitch, and I'm gonna just set one of those up there. It's a Joy Sunday kit, and let me see, it's 33 by 33. It was $6.70. They do have all 4 of these. There you go. This says round 4 seasons, and this one is summer. So you got a nice little cabin. You got a creek here. You got mountains and the trees. Yeah, just looks like a really pretty little scene. I just saw these, and yeah, I really liked them. So maybe I'll have to get all 4. But very nicely done. 33 by 33. I can't, what is that? Maybe 10 or 12 inches. Let's take a look at the color. Let me put that up there a second. We have 2 sets of numbers. Top set goes to the paper pattern. Bottom goes to the canvas. It says it's 140 stitches by 140 stitches. And we have a total of 42 colors. We have 40 colors in full stitch. You have 2 colors. There's your 41 and 42 in half stitch. And you have 4 colors in back stitch. And the back stitch is kind of nominal, because you can see it's around the rocks. It's a little bit of grass. I almost said glass. A little bit of grasses on the side just to accentuate it. I'm going to flip this over here. And you have a little back stitch in the trunk of the tree. The most extensive that back stitch gets is around the house. But yeah, and it looks like the background right here, the sky is all in half cross stitch. So that's kind of cool. I don't know, I just thought these were different. Let me see what colors we got. Anything we know? So far, no. So far, no. Let's see. No 823, no 939, no 310. They're using 3371 as the dark color here, and 3865 for white. They have 3865, B5200, and Acrylic. So that's cream, bright white, and kind of an off-white. So, yeah. Cool. Alright, let's take a look at those threads. Well, if I can get everybody undone. They've been all mooshed together there for a hot moment. Now this comes on a regular thread card. It does have 2 needles. There is your 3865, B5200, and Acrylic. There's your 3371. It's that dark brown. You have lovely teal colors and maybe like a muted turquoise. Kind of a bluish green, sorta. It's more green than blue. It's stuck to my hand. Time for hand lotion. And we have golds. Look at that bright, I don't know, it's kind of a burnished brown. Beautiful, beautiful blues, blue greens, dark greens for the trees. Just beautiful colors. Get everybody back where they need to be. And then get a hold of it so I can get to the canvas. I'm anxious. And I believe this is a white canvas because, you know, the last few Joy Sundays I've gotten were on more of a cream color. So this appears to be white. It is serged all the way around and upside down. Duh. And it's a partial, so you don't do the corners, just the circle. So let's measure this. It is serged all the way around. 13 inches or 33 centimeters. And 31.5 centimeters or 12.5 inches for the whole. Actual picture size is 9 3/4 inches or 24.5 centimeters by almost 10 inches or 25.5 centimeters. I'll hold this up. Just give me a second. Yeah. Let me put those scissors away before I drop them on my foot. Beautiful. Very nicely, darkly printed. Has not been wet. I'm just going to fold it in half so the light doesn't go through it. But very plain, very easy to see. It looks confettied, but they look like rivers of color. I don't know if you can tell that or not. Nice big key running along the side here. I'm going to flip it. You can see the thread card number, the symbol, and the DMC on that side. And then on this side, I gotta go. I knew it was going to be upside down. I just didn't know how it was going to be there. Here's your half cross stitch and your back stitch, but very sharp, crisp, clear printing. Very, ooh, very nice. I'm happy with that. Okay, we got one more. This one is a little bit bigger. This one is called Autumn Harvest. It was $10.74. And it is 34 by 46. Okay. It comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. We've been over that 100 times. Look at the color. Look at the color. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's just beautiful. Now it does have a little back stitching in it, not gonna lie. But look at that mesh of colors. It just all melds so well together. I know it's autumn and we're just kind of thinking ahead, but I really like this one. I do. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Ugh, can you ever? Let's take a look and see what's going on here. Well, okay. We got 2 sets of numbers. Are you ready for how many colors this has? It has 100 colors in full stitch. It has 3, 6, 9 colors in half cross stitch. They are not new numbers, so there's a total of 100 colors in this kit, and 5 of them are in back stitch. Just lovely. We got a little bit of everything. Now it does have, this goes to the paper pattern, this side goes to the canvas, and it's 150 stitches wide by 210 high. So it's not huge, ginormous, but yeah. Oh my goodness. Let's see what colors we have. We have the mulberry color. We have 154. We have 310 black, 321, which is Christmas red to me. Let's see. No 550 purple. Anything else? We have no 823. We have 817, which is a brick red. Let's see. No 3371, that dark brown we just had. And they have 3865 for the white. Not seeing any other whites. Very nice. There's going to be a lot of teals and oranges and blues in this. Gorgeous. Let's look at the pattern. There's your back stitching. It goes around the grapes and some leaves. Nominal on the houses. They're so light. Down there in that corner. Some around the fruits and vegetables. But it seems to be like, let's just outline this and outline that. So, pretty straight line, straightforward. It's going to be a little bit more detailed in the leaves. But yeah, it hasn't been yank. Let's take a look at these gorgeous colors. Oh my gosh. It looks like a freaking rainbow. I just want you to appreciate this. So I'm going to get that out of the way for a second. Look at that. Look, can you see that? Ugh. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 different thread cards. And there are 3 needles there. This comes on the good thread cards. I call them the good ones. It tells you how many of each you have, how many strands of each color, DMC number, and then the thread card number. Oops, that fell off because there was too much to move. But look at these beautiful, scrumptious colors. Look at those purple and mauves and oranges. Ugh. And then we get teals and pinks. Look at that. I call it a burgundy. But look at the teals and the turquoises. Yum. Bright, vivid orange, greens. You name it. Looks like a cornucopia of color. Say that 3 times fast. More blues. There's your 817. This is 817. Now 815. Is it 15 and 14 and 15? They're the brick reds. Beautiful. Just stunning, stunning, stunning colors. There's your Christmas red right there. 310 black. Look, that's all 310 black you got. So they're going to use something else. I don't think it had that. What is that? 3799? The pewter one. There is 553, not 550. Beautiful. Just absolutely outdid themselves in autumn colors. Let me get it all shook down. Look at that. Just, beautiful, rich, gorgeous. I can't. Just, yeah. Can you ever? Oh my goodness. Just stunning, stunning, stunning colors. Okay, let's take a look at the canvas, because there's where the truth is. Oh my goodness. So it's up and down. Now this one is on an off-white type canvas. Product name, serged all the way around. But it does have, I'm going to show you the key before I show you everything else. Nice, vivid key. You can see crisply all the thread card number, the DMC number, and the symbols. Very, very well printed. Just lovely. You have your half cross stitches over here and your back stitch over here. But yeah, I am very impressed. This is just a gorgeous canvas. And look how crisp the printing is. It's just absolutely stunning. Yes, it's going to have confetti in it. You're not going to get away from it. Center part is the only place where there isn't. But all this yellow, green, and red, and it kind of extends a little bit here and there. That's all half cross stitch in the background. So they want you to see all this beautiful flora, fauna, vegetables. Ugh. This is a gorgeous canvas. I'm sorry. I'm drooling. It is beautiful. Very well executed. Let's see. 18 inches or 46 centimeters. This way is 34.5 centimeters or a little over 13.5 inches. Actual picture size is approximately, I can just get it where it needs to be. It looks like 10 3/4 inches or 27 centimeters by 15 inches or 38 centimeters. So, beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. Just stunning. Just stunning. I can't get over how crisp and clear that is for a 14 count. It's just, I gotta show it to you again. Just beautiful. I will hold it as still as possible. Just gorgeous. Now that is all I got from FGNormal. Thank you, FGNormal, for the two beautiful kits. These lovely little beads. I don't know what we're going to do, you know. My granddaughter would have a heyday with these. She could just string them until there was no tomorrow and make a nice little necklace. Oh, my God. And now FGNormal has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They always have great sales, great selection, wonderful customer service. Do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.